video, we want to be showing you the full delivery process of our River Rock countertop. We posted this one on Instagram and people went crazy for it because it was the first time we ever did something like this. So we'll try and include some footage from the pour, the demolding, and I think we have a little bit of the finishing too. And then we'll just show you the whole delivery process and just sort of the steps that it took to deliver this piece. And then also, you guys will see a little bit of what it took to make this piece. We don't explain it in depth, but sort of what we did is we took the slab of wood, we machined out a recess in the shape of a river that our client drew. Then we also poured a layer in between the live edges on the bottom, like half-inch layer of epoxy. Then we placed the rocks in, placed them in the river and in the recess we machined out. And then we actually poured the blue epoxy in to fill everything up. And this was all custom for our client's request. I think most of the rocks in this were actually collected like on vacations and hikes and different things, so it has some sentimental value to the clients. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. We're just here on site right now to actually deliver and install the River Rock countertop. So we've got it in the truck here. You can kind of see it over there, but this was one that people got really excited about on Instagram. It was our first piece that we ever included rocks in. So we're gonna show you the full delivery and installation process and let you guys get a better look at it.
I'm weighing it down in the kitchen.
Inside there, where the countertop is going, there's actually like these pillars or columns that come up on the one side, and we're going to install, using these pieces of walnut here, some brackets or some braces. So we're going to cut these to the lengths that I just measured there. We'll screw it into the drywall, and then that'll give us something to screw through to mount the countertop on, and then we'll also just secure everything down with PL 400 as well.
Happy that when I took this countertop off that it wasn't overscrewed, so it wasn't.
Nice.
So happy to it. Wait a second.
will be okay.
Yep. Yeah, do like a disco ball or something. You'll probably.
Coming out here.
Here it finally is, everyone. We got the L-shaped river rock countertop installed here. So Dennis had to, if you guys come underneath, you can see there's those brackets that Dennis had to screw in for us. So he toe-nailed them into the side of these braces here. And then we've actually just got a screw that goes in the middle to hold this whole thing down. That secures it. It's nice and sturdy, and we honestly couldn't be happier with the way this thing turned out. You can see the rocks really took on a nice color on the inside there, and then it kind of all flows right into here, into the main river. So this piece of wood here actually got cut off the back strip of this slab, so that's why everything has a nice matching color, because it was all cut from the same piece. But we're really excited. We're hoping to do more pieces like this in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing us build and install this piece, and we'll see you next week.